In today's video, I want to share with you 2 signs that YouTube is about to blow your channel. 2 signs that YouTube is about to blow your channel. Please, if you notice any of these 2 signs, please keep posting. Let your consistency be ×2. Keep on posting. Let your consistency be ×2. Before I start, I would love to appreciate my subscribers. I've seen your likes, your comment, always spending time on my video, coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you for that. If this is the first time of you watching me in this video, please do best to join this channel, because in this channel I share tutorial on how to create AI videos and YouTube growth, so you will never regret if you subscribe to this channel. So I want to show you 2 signs that you should notice that YouTube is about to blow your content. And if you notice that these 2 signs are not there on your YouTube, please stay on this video, because I'm going to show you what you will do in order for you to see this sign on your YouTube channel. So the first thing that you are going to see is increase in views from browse features and suggested video. What is browse features? Browse features are, you just you just enter to YouTube now and you get to see that there's a video that YouTube just packaged for you, and you get to watch that video. That is browse feature. Videos that are coming from recommended, those are browse features. And what are suggested video? Suggested videos are videos that you are watching a particular video and another video is being suggested for you to watch, similar to that content that you are watching on YouTube. Or at the end of that video, the video is coming up like next on. Those are suggested video. Then browse features are the one that are coming from subscription feed, that are coming from home page. So if you see your video, your views coming from that browse features increase in that side, or coming from suggested video, YouTube is about to blow your content. How do you see that YouTube? How do you see these views that are coming from browse features? I'm going to show you how you can see the views that are coming from browse features and the views that are coming from suggested videos. So how do we see it? It's for us to go to our YouTube studio. You go to your YouTube studio, it will open like this to your dashboard. So the first thing that I'm going to do is for you to go to content. We want to check how YouTube recommend our video. So I'm going to check from the first video so that you understand what I'm trying to say. Now this is my first video, which I click, and you click on this analytics. You click on analytics, go to reach, click on reach, then you see impression. Click on impression. Now this is where we study our channel. You can see channel page, I have 83 views from them, and browse features, I have 5 views from them. Suggested video, I have 4 views from them. YouTube search, and I have 2 views from there. Then the total views that I have from this impression is 94 views. It means that YouTube have shown 94 people this video, 83 from channel page, browse features from browse features to 5 people, suggested videos to 4 people, and YouTube search for 2 people, and total is 94. So the total views I have in this video is 36 views. So out of 94 impression, only 5.3 click-through rate that I have from this video. So let me go to another video. You see that this video, I have 219 views. Now check out my reach. I have 1,600 reach, like 1,633 views. You can see that those views are coming from suggested videos and browse features, channel page. You can see that suggested videos now are the first sign that I noticed that these videos is bringing views. And out of 1,600 people that YouTube have shown these videos to, 5.6 people have clicked on that video to watch. Now let me tell you how to increase views from browse features. To increase views from browse feature, you need to work on your thumbnail. Let your thumbnail be the kind of thumbnail that said click me, click me, click me. Let your thumbnail be a thumbnail that if someone just see it, he will love to click on it, because browse features are videos that are coming from recommendation. There are videos that are coming from subscription feed. So immediately someone just enter to Facebook, to YouTube, you get to see your video, and your thumbnail is nice, it's going to click. That is how to increase your click-through rate from browse features. That's how to get views from browse features. Then how to get views from suggested video. Work on your title. Let your title be something nice, because people are watching other videos and your video is being suggested. So from your title now, people will love to click to watch what you offer. So to increase views from suggested video, you need to work on your title. To increase views from browse features, you need to upgrade your thumbnail. Thank you very much for watching this video to this end. Feel free to ask any question in the comment box. Like this video. Also subscribe to this YouTube channel for other videos like this. See you in our next class. Thank you.